Okay guys, today we're going to be replacing the charging port on this iPhone 6s Plus. It's the first time I've ever created a video for this, so I'm kind of nervous. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to remove these two screws that I have pointed out here and here. And Apple makes these proprietary, so you can use a very tiny flathead screwdriver, or if you buy a kit, which I have one that's linked down in the description, it should come with everything you would need to be able to do repairs on iPhones. So once those two screws are removed, you're going to take something flat, similar to a screwdriver or a razor blade. You're going to go around the edge of the iPhone and break up the glue. Then you'll need something like a suction cup to place on the glass, and you're going to start prying the phone apart. Careful not to break the glass, otherwise you'll be replacing the screen also. And my kit came with this nifty little prying tool to be able to get in there in between the case and the glass. So you're going to use something similar to be able to pry around until the glass comes apart from the metal case. So once you get that completely pried apart, you're going to see on the one side, you're going to see the screen and the digitizer, which I will point out here. On the other side, you'll see the battery. And the part that we're going to be replacing is going to be this section down here. So these are all Phillips head screws that are in here. So you're going to need a very small Phillips head screwdriver, which came in my kit. And you're going to remove all the screws, which I have highlighted on the following pictures. Once all those screws are removed, you're going to take something, you're going to break up the glue that is underneath the component. And it doesn't really matter much if you break the component, because you are replacing the entire subassembly down at the bottom. And once you have the old subassembly out, you can put the new one in. Mine came with little strips on it to protect the glue that you have to take off before you put into the phone. And reassembly is just the reverse of taking the phone apart. So this was my first time doing any kind of iPhone repair in years. I didn't actually go through and research anything. I kind of just went at it. This is not a very difficult repair to do on your own if you have any experience with electronics. I've been working with electronics for many years, so this wasn't a very difficult process for me at all. It was just a matter of finding out which parts needed to be removed, what was in the way, and then I removed everything and put it back together, and the phone was working just fine after I finished taking everything apart. That's it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.